Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So I'm on the opposite side of this coach and just showing you where the guys, where they found like a crack and they're cutting into it, fixing that one. And then it looks like there's another one down there that they're taking care of as well. There's my dog making all that breathing noise. This is RV wanting to play with her ball while I'm video recording. So anyways, this is on a Grand Design. Imagine it's a 28 BH, 2000 BH, and there's Hitch. Hey Hitch, what's going on, buddy? You say hi? Say hi, Hitch. Hitch, say hi. Anyway, so we're out here videotaping this. I'm gonna walk around to the other side. So the guys are in the middle of getting it all prepped up. It's lunchtime, so I'm out here while they're not working, and we'll go check this other side. I made another video earlier, just a quickie, but here's the guy starting to weld in a tube. Now keep in mind, we're not finished with this. This is actually a new bulletin that we're doing. This is the first one of this type that we're doing. We're installing, I'm not sure what thickness of that rail is. It's whatever it was listed on Lippert's sheet, but you can see where they had to cut it, modify it to get it around that gusset. But they're cleaning up the surface. They're tack welding it in place. They're going to be welding it, I guess, stitch welding it the rest of the way, and then that's supposed to help keeping the I-beam from, basically doing, I guess you'd say, this number, keeping it to reinforce it, to strengthen it. So anyways, stay tuned for more. I'm not sure if I can release the bulletin yet, but I think it's because this is one of the first ones that we've done, and so I'm not sure, this is a different fix compared to what we've been doing. I also don't know if we're going to be adding the cross braces from this side of the hanger to the other side, so I'll have to get with the guys and figure out what they're doing on it. But stay tuned for more, and as soon as we know and we're able to disclose it to you, we'll get back to you. All right, thanks so much for watching, and have a good one.